Good morning, students. In previous two classes, four problems of exercise 7.1 have been solved, but only four questions have been left in this exercise. So I had told you to complete this exercise. Now I am going to, before starting exercise 7.2, there are two important problems. So I am going to solve it. Theorem 7.2. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्वल। समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज के आधार पर के कोण बराबर होते हैं। इन हिंदी स्टेटमेंट हिंदी में इसका कथन है, समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज के आधार के कोण या सम्मुख भुजा के सामने के कोण, सम्मुख भुजा के सामने के कोण बराबर होते हैं। एंगल्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स ऑफ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल। स्टेटमेंट इज angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज के समान भुजाओं के सामने के कोण बराबर होते हैं। समान भुजाओं के टू प्रूव दिस थ्योरम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल। To prove this theorem, draw an isosceles triangle. Given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. We are given AB is equal to AC because statement is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज के सम्मुख भुजाओं के सामने के कोण बराबर होते हैं। सो मैंने एक समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज बनाया ABC, in which AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Proof. Given to prove angle B is equal to angle C. To prove this theorem, we have to do some construction. Draw angle bisector draw an angle bisector of angle A. draw an angle bisector of A meeting BC at point D. At point D. Proof. In triangles ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and ACD, we are given AB is equal to AC, AB बराबर AC, given angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction, and AD is equal to AD, and AD is equal to AD, common side. AD is equal to AD, common side. So triangle ABD, therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. ABD congruent to triangle ACD by SAS. Congruence rule by SAS. Congruence rule, where we have learned that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts, sides and angles are equal. So here triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, therefore corresponding angle of side AD, hence angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. Proved. It was to be proved that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज के सम्मुख भुजाओं के सामने के कोण सम्मुख कोण बराबर होते हैं. First of all, draw an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. To prove, draw an angle bisector of angle A meeting BC at point D. Proof. In triangles ABD and ACD, AB is equal to AC. We are given, according to a statement, angle AB is equal to AC and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction. रचना से हमें ये प्राप्त होता है कि कोण BAD बराबर एंगल CAD and AD is equal to AD, common side of both triangles ABD and ACD. So therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SAS congruence rule. We have learned that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. Hence angle B is equal to angle C, because B and C are corresponding angles of side AD. Therefore angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT, and it was to be proved. यही हमें सिद्ध करना था कि ट्रायंगल ABD और ट्रायंगल ACD एंगल B एंड एंगल C बराबर होगा. So this theorem is completed in this period, and you will complete it by practice, and in the next class I will prove theorem 7.2 angle opposite. Proof 7.6, the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. In next class I will solve it, and your work is to complete by practice. Thank you.